stand and do it so that everybody is visible.
Yeah. So, according to the news, or it has been find out in the survey also that Narendra Modi will bring, Prime Minister will bring 19 billion to this country. So, is it possible, or I'm just asking you all that, is it possible that 19 billion will come in this country? As it has been found out only. But if 19 billion is coming in this country, then where is the development?
The money will actually start
in 1 year, right?
It is okay. I'm not saying this.
Foreign trade has been started in the last
I'm
year.
not saying this. I
It's
want.
not been doing foreign trade from the last 10 years or 15 years.
No, actually, this is actually your point.
And it is estimated, it has been estimated 1 or 2 million, then you can say that no money will come. It is actually 90 or 900 billion.
Not
90.
19 billion. It's 19 billion. So, no, I'm not saying this that I want an actual development now only. Okay, I'm saying that there should be some indication about this development. Let's talk about poverty. It's still only 10.1% of the Indian population is under this. Only 10.1% population is living under this luxurious house apartment, and rest of them
Poverty and luxury is different. You're talking about luxury.
what I think, only 10.1%. The people are rich. They are studying. They are actually living in apartments or villas and all this. But rest of the population is living under that.
But still, if you actually check our data, Areekode is actually promoting people to get their homes, and they are providing loans at low security.
And he has also opened many schemes in the
Yes,
bank.
And he is actually promoting that if one will have his bank account, then only he can get loan from bank. And if people will just not only help the government by opening their bank accounts, which just only require now only one Aadhaar card for the initial opening. And so he is promoting.
Let's see. Okay, wait. What he has done? He has launched some policies like that 320 rupees policy for life insurance, 20 rupees policies for life insurance.
And it is
What he is doing?
It is beneficial.
It is beneficial. What it is beneficial? Actually, it is a main agenda of nothing but
No, it is not only a benefit of the
no.
It's a foreign country talking
And-
about foreign
and-
policy.
It is actually related to this policy.
It is giving the country benefit by many ways. Firstly, like it is increasing the government's
Please
revenue.
be quiet for a second.
Increasing the government revenue.
That is
Second, people are actually getting insurance at so low cost. Even if you go for any bank insurance, you will at least pay a minimum of 1,000 or 10,000, which cannot be afforded by all. And as you have said that many of the population is living in poverty, it states that many of the people are not having so much money so that they can insure their family.
It's not about so much money. It's about unequal development.
So, bro, unequal development cannot be completed in just money or sex.
These
But as he has said in his plan that all this development and the plans which he is taking will be able to a span of around 15 to 20 years, which actually is 90 years.
Till now, it is 1.5 years actually.
Since the poverty is going on for many years, you can't expect Modi to make a change within
I'm
that.
not saying I want it.
Man, we already heard that.
He's promoting it. Yeah. He's
Only
promoting global
foreign ministers also. Yeah, see, how many days?
Till now, only the USA Prime Minister.
No, China.
Can we have silence, please, from the class side?
He's been to so many countries and he's inviting foreign trips. He has attended all the functions within the whole country.
Attending functions and
And enlightening
I situation that happened 7 days before. Just because Narendra Modi is actually leading the country and India is having a good financial stability. That was the reason we are our stock market actually
I didn't say
Can we have silence, please?
They're not related at all. Unequal and foreign trade.
no, everything has two aspects, advantages and disadvantages. We cannot say
The
everything.
advantages are more than the disadvantages.
How do you say this?
And how
No,
Narendra Modi can help the development without trading. Only 3% of the total population is actually paying the income tax. Rest are having flat liquid. So we are also not promoting in any way any source of finance to the
What
government.
are the negative impacts of this? Yeah, tell us the disadvantages of it.
But the initial investment which is coming is much more than that.
Investment is what is encouraged.
Investment is for long-term purpose and for the current economy. And for the current system, technology justify by it is for long-term purpose. For the current purpose, we will just make one moment.
See, if you are planning
He's
for
not there to criticize.
he has already explained this fact that it will at least take 50 to 20 years of span.
So maybe in 20 years,
No development can actually no development can actually
But there should be some there should be some
There are policies to criticize. There are policies coming in.
but the work is sufficient to just
Okay, according to you, what
What is the first step that you do when you are forming a company? You promote the promotion. This is what making India. Promoting is already the word. It's not about making India. It's not about promoting. I not promote the company. So how can I get the finance? Promoting, promoting.
you only donate finance. And you said that you told that first you need the finance so that you can actually start the company. Same way is first you need the finance so that you can actually plan the various policies according to the finance we have.
Is it truly coming?
Yes, so it is truly coming. It is not like now that's the best idea.
Let's go to child's play that the president of another country promises you to pay so many billion dollars.
And it is actually not even as good. What about this?
Actually, an initial commitment to see.
Okay, you mean FDI will develop our country, okay? But tell me one. Is it from June 2014 until now, today is 31st September. So till now, is there any foreign company who is started his new project in India?
Yes.
It's
all about
After the Modi government came to this line.
That's another plan right now.
They are only planning, they are not implementing properly.
First, right now,
And having heard about that, the actual development growth percentages of India in last quarter was actually more than 7%, which is actually much more than that when the other ruling party was actually having.
your thing is as soon as the money comes, development.
Okay.
So you want that to happen?
No, you don't want to plan, you just want to execute it. No, this is not planning. What I am saying is they are only planning. They are not actually implementing.
Yeah,
What is not
they
implementing?
are
What I am to make a cup of tea, man. How can you make a cup of tea? Running the whole game. Okay, it is not
What
party.
about the district or city?
It's not the country. Is there
What
anyone?
the rate?
You are telling about the what are the actual years?
No, I am asking now. You are saying that he's now implementing.
Implemented also. You know this aim of 98 smartest cities in the smart city. He has already provided the list of the cities in which almost it covers 7 states. These 7 states are having maximum of these cities, and they have been told that the amount of investment which they will be getting in 1 to 2 years time.
Okay.
And anybody who has not spoken anything till so far, would you like to add on about viewpoints?
at least Modi's policy is justified for the long-term goal, but the consequences may happen or may not happen. There is a possibility of vote, but for the short-term, for the current period, it is not.
It is not.
Justified.
For the current year.